So the LEDs in your television are connected in what is known as a series configuration, as in the electricity flows from one light into the other in sort of like a chain, and when it gets to the end, it goes back straight to the source. Hello, my name is Dominic, and today I'm going to show you the basic construction of an LED lamp from your TV. This is why it's called an LED TV. So the first thing we have is the LED lamp itself. The small white tiny thing with the yellow at the center, that's the LED light or the LED module. It has a positive terminal and a negative terminal. Because it's a diode, electricity only flows from the positive to the negative. This is an LED strip, and you can see there are many LEDs connected in series, like I said before. The next thing we have is this glass-like looking thing. It's called a lens, and its work is to distribute the light over to a large surface area. It's connected to the backlight strip using these three black things with some type of glue. It works sort of like a convex lens where it disperses the light into a larger surface area. There are different types of lenses. Some are small, like you'll see here in a bit. This is another example from another model of TV. It has small lenses with small LED lamps. These LED lamps are connected in the same series configuration, and these are quite small compared to the other one at the top over there. Like I said before, these LEDs are connected in a series configuration. The electricity flows in that direction, with this being the positive and that being the negative terminal. Another thing you will find in LED strips are these small diodes. You'll normally find this in LED TVs that use an adapter as the primary power source. They are mainly for protection of the LEDs. You can see this is another type of LED with different type of lens, and it has a joint at the middle. This means this came from a very big TV. In fact, it came from a 43-inch TV. You can see there 43 LH from LG, and that's the end of the LED strip. This is an LED strip from a Samsung TV. Same basic mode of construction, the LED lens on the LED lamp. So this particular model has a bend at the extreme ends of the LED strip. It's just normal construction. It works, the mode of operation is just the same. The last thing in the LED construction is the PCB, or the printed circuit board. This is where the electrical connection is done. From here you can see this LED strip has a positive and a negative terminal. Don't mind the one in the middle, because we use the positive and the negative, the ones on the extreme end. In beneath this white color are the copper tracks that go to each LED strip in a parallel configuration. I think you can see the small tracks inside there. They are conductive and they pass the electricity through to the next light, and so on and so forth. The LED strips can have a copper track at the back, or they can just be bare. This is primarily for heat transfer to the backlight module. This particular one here has a copper track at the back, and the one from Samsung has an aluminium track. Never mind the gum at the back, it was some shoddy work by someone a little back while. This is the LED strip from the beginning of the video, and you can see it doesn't have anything at the back, just bare PCB with the conductors on the top. And lastly, this is the backlight module. The LEDs you have seen are housed in a place here, around here. There are 3 of them in this 32-inch TV. And apart from the power supply and the main board, everything else is the backlight module. I'll talk about this much in detail in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.